Welcome to the Wi-Tek Product Operation channel. Today we will explore the capabilities of Layer 3 Managed PoE Switch Link Aggregation. To demonstrate the configuration of link aggregation, we have prepared the following topology diagram for configuration experiments. We can see that the end devices of VLAN 20 and VLAN 30 are connected to switches A and B respectively. The scenario simulated here is a departmental large bandwidth scenario. To widen the bandwidth between switches A and B to ensure fast forwarding of business traffic, here we will do link aggregation between switch A and switch B. Before we start the configuration, please ensure all your devices are in the same network segment so that it is easy for us to configure. And then please ensure that the link aggregation configuration of both switches is fully completed before wired connections are made to prevent loops. Then we can start the configuration. Link aggregation is configured in the following steps. Step 1. Create lag1 interface and add member interface to increase link bandwidth. Go to Switch Config, Link Aggregation Group. Configure the load sharing mode to realize the load sharing of traffic among the member interfaces of lag1 and increase the reliability. In this case, IP MAC address is used to perform load balance. Next, we create lag1. And add interfaces 1 to 3 as members of the link aggregation group. By default, the mode for link aggregation under L3 switch is static. Step 2. Create a VLAN and add the interface to the VLAN. Go to VLAN config, VLAN ID to create VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. Click port config, and choose port channel 1. Mode we choose trunk mode, tagged VLAN is 20 and 30. Then click apply. Then we select port 4 and port 5, set to access mode, and apply. The configuration of switch A is now complete. Next, configure switch B. The steps are similar. All configurations have been completed. You can see that port channel 1 is 3 gigabits, indicating that link aggregation has been successful. Let's verify the result. We set the two laptops into the same subnet, first connected to the port set to the same VLAN, and then ping test. We ping test PC1 with PC2. It's successful. Reverse ping test PC2 with PC1, also successful. At this time, the two devices can visit each other. We connect one of the laptops to the port set to another VLAN, and then ping test. At this time, the devices cannot access each other. Assuming that one of the computers is a server or NAS, you can prevent unauthorized access from the outside. Above is content shared today. If you are interested in more configuration knowledge, please feel free to click the subscribe button and leave a comment. Meanwhile, welcome to contact us through email and website.